Hello everyone, Jerry Soto here. Beautiful National City. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Come on in, take a look. As you walk into the property, you will feel the warm and welcome of this beautiful home with its high ceilings, plenty of windows, lots of lights, nice flooring. The kitchen has big window, plenty of lights also. It's been remodeled, comes with all the appliances. This bathroom has a tub, big window. The master bedroom has plenty of closet space. Very nice master bedroom. The other bathroom is a walk-in shower with a window. Very nice backyard, big backyard. And the garage is big enough to convert it into another 1 bedroom, 1 bath studio. So take a look at the studio upstairs now. Okay, and here I am at the 1 bedroom, 1 bath studio. Take a look. This one was built in 2000. Plenty of lights, very private, nice and clean. Just ready for someone to come in and make it a great investment property. You can actually buy 2 properties and make it into 3. Thank you.